Wayfinder is developing 4D scavenger technology to recover soluble hazardous substances from wastewaters. In IMERMAID project, target is to recover heavy metals from municipal wastewater. Topic is important because heavy metals can affect on plants and animals' vitality. 4D Scavenger is chemically functional porous filter, and it is manufactured by 3D printing. Unique feature of the technology is that both chemistry and mechanics can be optimized at the same time. In this project, the optimization was targeted to selectivity and efficiency in heavy metal recovery. Design of 4D Scavenger reactor was also improved for higher flow rates. Key benefits of 4D Scavenger technology are selectivity, meaning that all the capacity is used to target substances. Efficiency, fast reaction enables compactness of reactor. And eluent efficiency, only small amount of chemical is needed for efficient washing of filter. 4D Scavenger equipment's only requirements are external power for small pumps, instrumentation and automation, and chemicals for eluation. Demonstration has been built to 20 feet sea container. It is automated and can be monitored and operated remotely. Demonstrator is also designed for easy deployment of piloting. Before deployment, demonstrator was tested both technically and functionally. 4D Scavenger technology is integrated to IMERMAID use case 3 and contributes to reduction of municipal wastewater-based heavy metal emissions. Performance of 4D Scavenger technology in heavy metal reduction was piloted in SMAT municipal wastewater treatment plant in Turin. Within IMERMAID context, 4D Scavenger's features, selectivity and efficiency make it unique technology for efficient reduction of hazardous emissions.